Before we begin documenting our project, we should keep in mind that it is often best to remain generic so that when elements of our project are reused in other projects, the documentation does not require changes. To document an element of the Logix structure, we right-click the desired element and select Properties. Then, in the description box, we enter a description of the element. When we are finished, we click the OK button to apply the changes and close the Properties dialog. We can do this for tasks, programs, and routines. We can also provide descriptions for tags and program parameters. So if we open the table wherein the tag or parameter exists, we see that there is a description column in the table. Clicking in the description cell, we can enter a description explaining the usage of the data in the context of the logic. When we are finished, we click another cell to apply the changes. Note that for a tag or program parameter description, we should describe the data itself rather than how the data is used in conjunction with a particular logic instruction. This is because the data may be used with multiple instructions that serve different purposes. Also, because these descriptions appear in the logic editor wherever the tags or program parameters are used, we should keep them as brief as possible. Of course, we can also document our logic. Within a ladder diagram routine, we right-click the desired rung and select Edit Rung Comment. Then we can enter a description of the logic. When we are finished, we click the Apply Modifications check mark. Finally, we may also document our hardware by right-clicking the desired module in the I/O configuration and selecting Properties. Within the description box of the add-on profile, we can enter a description for the module. When we are done, we simply click the OK button to apply the changes and close the dialog.